Good morning, welcome back to my channel after many days. This is your Mario Paul presenting English, and today's topic is syllable. Syllable is nothing but a unit of sound. We pronounce certain words, and that word is consisting of different units. Na, two sounds. Amma, 2 units. Akali, 3 units. So a unit of sound is called syllable. The sound system of English consisting of 2. Anything, any sound, any language, it consists 2 types of sounds. One is vowel sound, the other one is consonant sound. I am not going to tell you, I am not going to touch about what are vowel letters and what are consonant letters. We will see only about vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Okay now, these vowel sounds in Telugu we call Atu, Aha, and these consonants we call Atu, Rauti, Bandira. ఓకే ఆ నుండి అహా వరకు వచ్చేటువంటివన్నీ కూడా వావెల్ సౌండ్స్ అంటారు. ఆ ఈ ఊ రు లు ఏ ఐ ఓ అహా. అండ్ జనరల్ కాన్సనెంట్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ క క క గ గ న త త ద ద న ప ప బ బ మ య ర ల వ శ ష. All these are called consonants, and these vowels are voiced and these consonants are voiceless. We will see when we discuss about that. A syllable is a group of 1 or more sounds with only one vowel sound. Every sound, every unit has vowel. Only with the support of vowel, the particular consonant gets sound. A sound is produced with vowel. Without vowel, there is no sound. As I told, this consonant is voiceless, and this voice is voiced. And together we call sound. Say for example, nakaram or pallu we call. Almost all the English words end in this nakaram only. Table, cook, jump, run, take, wait. Last is the nakaram. That is called voiceless. We don't call cuckoo, we call cook. We call take, we don't call take. We call pen. The last one is voiceless. It is blocked here somewhere at the glottis only. The sound is not being uttered. First sound is uttered, bu is uttered, k is not uttered. Book. Take your book, take your pen, pe another n is kept as silent. And this is combined with vowels. Say for example, a, e, u, like this. All these are called vowels. So k plus a comes the sound ka. K plus a becomes ka. K plus e becomes ki. K plus e becomes he. K plus u becomes ku. And k plus u, ku. All the vowel letters are only important. Without the support of vowel letters, this voiceless will never get a sound. So ka anna shabdam ela vachindante k plus ka. Amma, a is already vowel. Ma, m plus a, ma. Ottulu they are different. Okay, na, n plus a, na. Na, n plus a, na. A, ka, li. A is vowel. Already a unit of sound. Ka ela vachindi k plus a, ka. Li ela vachindi l plus e, li. So akali is produced only because of vowel. Because without vowel there is no sound. Okay, a sound is produced with vowel. So in the same way, there are 3 or 4 types of syllables we are going to see. If the word consisting of only one sound, we call it monosyllabic. Monosyllabic. If the word consisting of more than 1, 2, then we call it disyllabic. If it has 3, we call tri. If it has 4, we call tetra. If the word has more than 5 or 6, we call polysyllabic or multisyllabic. Multisyllabic. I'll just give one example for all this. Mono. Why is it called only one syllable? Cat. It's only one. K plus a. Cat. Ch. It is voiceless. So since there is only one vowel, we call it as a monosyllabic. Okay, flight, book. How is book derived? Book plus u, bu, k. Kick is not added. Since there is only one vowel, we call it as a monosyllabic. Second one is father or mother. Ma, th here, mother. Okay, ma. M plus a, ma. D plus a, the. R plus nothing. There is no something like that. So mother. Ma, m plus a, d plus a. Mother. Okay. So explain that. College. K. A. Ka. L. E. College. J. There is no sound. So since there are two vowels, we call it as a disyllabic. Okay. Trisyllabic. U. T. Full. Bu plus E. Bu. T plus E. T. Fu plus beautiful. Okay. Fu. It's all only one syllable. Wonderful. Wonderful. And four syllable. Systematic. Counted. Systematic. Okay. And more than that means we have five syllables also. We have many words. Classification, multiplication. There are many words where you are going to add number of syllables. So basing on the unit of sound, we classify a word into disyllabic, monosyllabic, trisyllabic, tetrasyllabic or something like that. Okay, understood? Now syllable is a unit of sound. The combination of those one or two or three vowels, we get the word. Without the support and cooperation of vowel, this consonant letter will never get any sound. So a sound is produced only when you take the support and help of a vowel. Vowels are called voiced, shabda nichetuvantivi. Consonants are called voiceless. They never produce any sound. In this way, you can identify the number of syllables that are existing in a particular word. You take up, try any word. Okay, mango. How many are there? Man, go. G plus O, go. Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Okay. Teacher, how many are there? Disyllabic. Teacher. R is silent. Teacher. Okay. Like that, a word is produced a sound only with the help of vowel. Either consonant will never count, is not counted, or so only vowel ever counted. Vowel sound is counted. Okay. America. A is considered as one unit. A. America. Four syllables are there. In this way, a syllable can be identified only with the help of these things. Okay. Thank you for listening to me.